From the time that I was 6 till when I was 18, I was bounced around from home to home. It was difficult. Didn't know where we were gonna go, where we were gonna sleep that night. In foster care, you just kind of lose hope sometimes. I never felt like I would be a normal kid or have a normal life. I'm Zach, and I'm a stage experience manager. I've been with Sephora for 7 years, and I just love the family environment. Being at Sephora for 7 years is the longest job I've ever held, and it's actually the longest place I've ever kind of been able to root in. So up until I was 6 years old, I had a pretty normal childhood. My mom was part of the PTA. She would come to class and, help me with arts and crafts. However, at 6 years old, along with my sister, who was only 4 years old, we were removed from the home by Child Protective Services due to some mistakes that our parents made. We were placed in a facility, and it was scary. It was difficult because I took on a lot of the responsibility in my mind. I felt like maybe I could have done something differently so that my mom wouldn't have made the mistakes that she did. There was a lot of times growing up that I felt like I didn't belong, especially when I had attended 11 different schools. Making friends was difficult. I was always the new kid. I saw these kids that grew up together. They already had these lifelong friendships, and I never had that. And it just made me feel kind of sad that, that could have been me. So at 18, I had aged out of foster care. I took that as an opportunity to focus on myself and gain some confidence again. Before Sephora, I wasn't out. It's something that I never thought was attainable. Being at Sephora helped me just get really comfortable with myself as, a gay man, and just realize that it's okay. And it's something that Sephora actually celebrates. I am powerful, strong, and I am honestly just happy. And all my life, people told me how I would end up. Everyone always told me that I would just be another statistic, but I choose my outcome, and I write my own story.